If your legs feel very heavy today, if there is swelling, throbbing, burning, or that constant tired ache in your veins, this video is for you. This healing is for you. If you have been carrying this discomfort silently for days, months, or maybe decades now, just know that this video can bring about good amount of relief in your life in the next few minutes. So just make yourself comfortable for a few minutes and allow your body to heal. Allow yourself to breathe. This is your time to rest. This is your time to let your legs breathe. This is your time to send healing, love, and relief to every painful part of your body. So just get comfortable and take a slow, deep breath and allow yourself to receive this amazing healing today. Just lie down or sit comfortably and breathe. Take a long, slow breath in. Hold and breathe out. One more time. Breathe in. Hold and breathe out. With every breath, allow the muscles in your legs to loosen up. Allow your calves to soften. Allow your ankles, your feet to relax. And now, put your entire attention on your legs or whichever leg is going through this discomfort and pain and heaviness today. Remember, wherever your attention goes, the energy flows there. And we want our entire attention on that body part that needs to be healed today. Smile as you're going to be healing that body part. Feel the weight you have been carrying, not just in your body, but in your life. All that standing, all that pushing, all those responsibilities, all the tiredness, your legs have held it silently. And today we honor them. Today we will ask for forgiveness from this amazing, beautiful body of ours. So keep your awareness to your legs. See every vein, every swollen place, every throbbing discomfort. And you are not going to fight it today. Just look at it with love. These legs have carried you. These legs have supported your family. These legs have stood through stress, through worry, through exhaustion. And now, take a deep breath in, breathe out, and with a beautiful smile, repeat after me. I'm sorry, dear legs. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry for ignoring you. I'm sorry for putting so much pressure on you. I'm sorry for neglecting you. I'm sorry for every moment I ignored the pain. I'm sorry for every burden you carried silently. Please forgive me. Please forgive me, my beautiful veins, for not listening sooner. Please forgive me for the stress, the standing, the fear, the overworking. Please forgive me, dear legs, for every stagnant emotion stored here. Please forgive me. Thank you, my dear legs, for carrying me every single day. Thank you, my dear veins, for always still trying to flow. Thank you, dear body, for your patience with me. Thank you for not giving up on me. I love you so much. I love you, my tired, swollen legs. I love you, my aching calves. I love every blocked vein. I love every cell asking for relief. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I really love you. Just feel this energy. Feel that shift that is happening in your legs right now. Feel the magic that has already been created. And now, just imagine a beautiful golden white light above you, on your head. Feel that warmth of that light. Feel it covering your entire head now, coming till your neck. Feel the relaxation that is happening on your shoulders at this very moment. And feel this golden white light drifting down further, covering your entire chest, filling your heart and your lungs. And your heart at this moment is pumping blood with so much of ease that every cell in your body is receiving blood in such a smooth manner. Feel this healing light covering your entire arms, your hands, your fingers, covering your entire abdomen, and feel the healing light healing every body part, every cell, removing all that stress, worry, resistance, whatever is stopping you from allowing this healing to happen at this moment. And see the energy coming down to your thighs, knees, your calf muscles, your heels, and your toes. And now you're covered entirely in this golden, beautiful white light. And feel that relaxation that is happening in your leg right now. Because the blood is flowing so easily, so smoothly. Feel the comfort. Feel the ease with which the blood is flowing now. Feel that calmness, the relaxation. Feel the energy flowing in those veins, calming them down, relaxing them. How blood is beginning to flow with ease. Every heavy vein begins to soften. Energy is flowing with ease. Comfort begins to flow with ease in your life. Your legs are no longer holding any pain as you are allowing all that burden to be released. And now say softly to yourself, I release all the heaviness today. I release all the blockages in my life. I release the pain. I release years of tiredness. allow healthy flow. I allow comfort. I allow this healing energy to pass through my every cell. I allow my legs to feel light again. And now breathe in. Breathe in as if you're breathing in through those veins of yours. And breathe out through those veins. And now see how your legs have become so light. Pass your hands over them. Feel that relaxation. Feel the energy that has already happened. You are healed. You are healed. And now, one more time, repeat, I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am really, really sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you so much for this beautiful healing. I love you. I am healed. I am healed.